Hi, are you using Twitter tools? There's a URL, I've got it in the show notes, I call it, the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. There's a Google document in there that's got the guides and reference materials to help you get started with integration, optimization, and troubleshooting, all the things that the Twitter developer platform can do. And so as a part of getting your Twitter part of things going, wouldn't it be nice to have the playbook? Well, there it is. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, like I said, there's a Google document in there that's got the link and tells you all the things you need to know about Twitter as far as the developer tools and so forth. I want to thank all the time that you've devoted to this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. I hope that link helps you out in some way. Thanks to the patrons that support this effort. It's a wrap. And this is how you get in touch with yours truly, Guy R. Cook. There's the GuyRCookReport.com, and there's a contact form if you go to GuyRCook.com, just like it shows in text there. Or you can call my new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. I look forward to talking to you.